Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Virgos. This is your daily reading, Virgos. Let's see what's coming up for you all. From today, I'll be giving out a slogan, guys, at the end of the reading. You can use it during your meditation, or you can just think about it as an intention, okay? Every day, it will help you a lot. So, let's start the reading now, guys. Okay, focus. Perspective, effortless. Okay, guys. Okay, Virgos. So, with these cards, the energy I'm getting here is, guys, you clearly want to manifest few things, okay, in your life. Maybe in your relationship, you want to take it forward, guys. Maybe propose or have a child, okay, maybe some major decisions, you want to achieve something, okay, or in your work life. In order to do that, you have to know what are your choices and how you can make it happen, okay, and you have to think clearly and keep yourself attuned to your goals, guys, whatever you want to achieve, okay. You have to be without any distractions, okay, then you will be able to achieve. And you have to take stock of your situation, thinking of it from a different perspective, okay. You can ask suggestion from your friends, okay, they will have a different perspective than you about your situation, okay. Maybe when you listen to them take suggestions, you will get a clear view of how things are shaping up in your life, okay. And you can let things flow, guys. Just allow things to manifest, okay. Everything happens at the right time, guys. So all you need to do is just watch things unfolding, okay, around you. And but you have to be totally aware of the things happening, okay. So you have to let go all your inhibitions, okay. Maybe your person has decided on something, okay, and you may be scared to go ahead with the decision. But if they feel it is correct, if they feel it is the right thing to do, you can just let those things happen, guys. So you just have to allow yourself to surrender to what universe gives you, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here, okay. So you have to just allow things to manifest, okay. There's no need to be afraid of anything. Once you change your perspective, you know, the things that are happening in your life are always for the best, guys. So let me pick out 3 more cards, Virgos. Let's see what's coming up. Speak from the heart. Be tolerant. Okay. So Virgos, with these cards, I feel the angels are telling you, okay, to be more understanding, okay, of your partner. Maybe this is your energy or your partner's energy, okay. So they may be they should be able to be more understanding, okay, of your situation, okay. They should what to say, acknowledge what is happening in your life, okay, in your situation, and you will clearly know what to do, guys. You will have a strong gut feeling about what you have to do, and you have to speak the truth. You can sit and discuss with your person, okay, whatever it is. You need to discuss with your person, okay, about your choices, about what you want to what you want the result to be, okay. And when you openly do that, and at the same time when you listen to their suggestions, okay, it brings a harmonious result, guys. So it is time for you to open your hearts to them. That is the energy I'm getting here, okay. And you need to change your perspective, guys. So sometimes what they say may be correct. It is not necessary that we are always correct, okay. So sometimes your person may be correct, okay. So this is the time you have to open your heart and speak to them honestly, and that way you will have a clear view. Both of you can understand the situation and come to the solution, okay, whatever it is, okay. And you go with the flow. If something is coming up your way, some kind of change, maybe a relocation to a different place, okay, you need to go with the flow, guys, and you need to accept certain things, okay, for the better good. So that is the energy I'm getting here, and you have to speak freely to your person. So that is the energy I'm getting here, guys. Let me pick out 3 cards. That is the love message from your person, okay. You respect my decisions. You never give up on me. You love me the way nobody else does, okay. So your person feels you respect their decision, guys, okay. So that is the energy I was talking to you all about, okay. Even if you feel what they are saying is wrong, you can openly talk to them, okay. That way you will get a clarity, guys, in the situation, okay. You can talk about your ideas and suggestions, okay. But you need to take their suggestions too, okay, because the cards are guiding you to view your situation from a different perspective and to be open to suggestions, okay. So that is the energy I'm getting here. But whatever it is, they love you a lot, guys. They can never leave you no matter what. So that is the energy I'm getting here, Virgos. So you need to focus on open talk, guys. So that is the energy for today. And about the slogan, it is be as you are. Be as you are, okay. So you can repeat it once. Take a few minutes to be silent, okay, every day. It will help you to calm your mind, and automatically it will bring peace and happiness to you. So that's all, Virgos, for today. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye.